here, it's here, it's here, it's here. Okay, so getting my FabFitFun this month has been a bit of a journey because apparently delivery sent it to the wrong house. So FabFitFun was amazing and ended up resending me my box. I just made a mess in here of dropping everything off because this box is ginormous. This is how big the box is, and I am so excited. I am so grateful that FabFitFun has been sending me these boxes because I have always been curious, but I've never actually gotten the boxes before. Fall in love with nice, sweet things. How sweet is that? I have found this box is absolutely worth it. You get to choose all of your items, and there are beauty items in here. There are home decor, lifestyle. Oh my gosh, and every month has so many cool things in the box. Look at this. Nichole and FabFitFun. Okay, it is got to be fall. Ooh, they have a caramel flavor? That's news to me. I honestly can't even remember what I selected to be in this box, but I feel like I was leaning more towards some lifestyle things, some cozier things to kind of like start leaning into fall. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at these cushy little shoes. These are muklooks. These are women's slippers. I do remember now they also have a wide variety of sizes to pick from. And I haven't had like new slippers in a long time. And these, when I was looking at the reviews of them when I was making my selections, looked absolutely perfect because not only do they look super duper cozy, but they also have a nice grippy bottom because it is like rainy season here in Florida. And yeah, you're right. I do go on my back deck with the dog sometimes in the yard, and I like to have more of a solid bottom, and these look so cozy. The MSRP for these is $50 to give you an idea of what we're talking about when it comes to quality of the items. I love this. Oh, and they're so soft. They're so plush. Next, oh my gosh, I must have been feeling the fall vibes because look at this cozy blankie. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. I love beachy colors. You guys know I'm a beach girl. I love the teals and the corals. But my other favorite color of all time is like a burnt orange. This Sunday Citizen blankie just seems so perfect. Oh gosh, how do I get it out? You guys know I have struggles with packaging. Oh my goodness, this feels so cozy already. Ooh. Sunday Citizen is definitely a nice quality brand because I was looking up everything. Oh my gosh, look at this. How big does it get? Gosh, they said it was an extra big blanket, but I didn't believe them until now. Look at this. This is so cozy. Oh, I cannot wait. And this is a color I actually used to have a blanket in that when Cooper was a puppy, ate holes in it. So it had to go. But this one is bigger, better quality, and the perfect color for fall. I love it. I think we definitely have a theme going. This next item just made sense for me for a lot of different reasons. It is rainy season in Florida. It just is going to be until like October, November. So I don't have an umbrella. So when I saw this Aloha one, I was really excited because it definitely still has all of those tropical vibes. Y'all gonna yell at me if I open this inside because I know some people are really serious about that. It's got a push button and it definitely has those Florida vibes. Super easy and compact to take with you on your purse, in the car, all those things. We just had a huge rainy monsoony like storm come through, a tropical storm, and I didn't have an umbrella. So now I do, and that's perfect. I forgot I picked this out. I love to get some fun jewelry. I'm gonna pop it on right now. This is from the brand Marilyn Schiff. Is that how you say that? It's so cute. You guys know I love my like just fun Bengali jewelry, and I love adding pieces to my collection. Oh, it's even got some care instructions on it. That's nice to have. Look how cute this is. And it is definitely adjustable because it has that open back so I can adjust it to whatever I want. This is gonna go perfect with my collection. Oh yeah, and it's easy to adjust. Super easy. Yeah, this isn't gonna come off now. Perfect, perfect, perfect. But I'll be honest, my hands tend to swell in like the summertime when I'm hot and I've been outside for a while in the humidity. So the fact that this can adjust with me, that's nice. Oh, and I still have 2 more beauty items. I don't even remember what I picked. Ole Hendrickson. Oh my gosh, should I just take off whatever I have on my lips? What is this? This is the Pout Preserve Peptide Lip Treatment. I love Ole Hendrickson. I love this. I got to try so much Ole Hendrickson from subscription boxes that I am in love. I am definitely gonna be putting this on my lips tonight. I have definitely been feeling all of those lippy vibes lately. Oh, and one kind, it is a Dream Cream Nighttime Moisturizer. My skin is super duper sensitive, as many of you know, and I just ran out of a nighttime moisturizer. I have plenty for daytime, but at nighttime I want something a little different. So I was really open to trying this product, and I love that I could get it in a box. I feel like I have to say that right now, this is the quarterly subscription box that I am most excited for, because it is a little bit of everything. As you can see, we've got some beauty, we've got some home care, we've got some elemental features that really make your life so much easier. And everything is such a nice, high quality. I don't really have to worry that I'm getting like a dud type product with FabFitFun. I have really been excited to get these boxes now this year, and I just keep getting more and more excited every time, which is why when it got shipped to the wrong house, I was genuinely like, I'm so upset. I am so let down. And luckily the brand was just like, I got you, don't worry, we're gonna send you your box. And it's curated perfectly. I love that when you are making your selections, you have a variety of high quality options too. This particular quarter, for example, had so many amazing options. I had a really hard time choosing each one, and I would do some like checking reviews for the ones that I was like most curious about. So I really loved getting everything in this box. The high quality products are amazing. You can also use my promo code if you're wanting to get a discount on your box. It is Nichole20 gift. And then the seasonal subscription promo is Nichole20, and I'm gonna have links for you down below because the cost is actually very reasonable for how much everything is. The annual is $54.99 per box. If it is seasonal, it is $59.99. I also like that this is the type of subscription box that is a cancel at any time type box, because that's always the like sticking point I hear for people when they are really tempted to get a box or maybe two, or maybe they just want to get it until they're like, you know what, it doesn't make sense for me to get this anymore. How long and how difficult is it to cancel? It's a cancel anytime box. You don't have to commit. It's really nice like that. And that's why this time, especially with this, the world that is right now in the economy, I can totally see why that gives a little bit more comfort to a subscription box like this. That being said, if you do use the annual like package, you do get early access to customize, early access to add-ons and edits, earlier shipping, and you get to customize your entire box. Whereas if you do this seasonally, you get to customize 4 items. But again, there have been no bad items in the selections. I have such a hard time picking when it comes to these boxes. So I always get really excited for my FabFitFun. Now, I'm really curious, is this the type of subscription box most of you are gravitating to these days? Because you guys know I do beauty subscription box as well, but I feel like a lot of people have been really leaning more towards like FabFitFun boxes, because you do get makeup, skincare, home decor, lifestyle pieces, all types of things. So tell me, where is your head at right now if you are leaning to a subscription box? Which way are you going? So far for me personally, in my lifestyle, I have to say, I think these boxes are absolutely worth it because like I said, these slippers alone are a $49 MSRP, which is essentially almost the entire box worth. So I'm just saying, I think that this is a really great option if you are looking for maybe a gift for yourself, somebody else, or you're just looking to, you know, do a little splurge for yourself. I love that. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me and kind of going through this unboxing with me. I love getting into these new style boxes for me because I think that that really just brings a different value to my channel, but also to my personal preferences and what I'm loving right now when it comes to subscriptions. And I love hearing from you guys. So tell me what you think below. Check out some of my most latest videos if you happen to miss anything that was recently kind of popping up, but you're going back into the groove of everything. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, friends.